Hi there, I'm Caroline, and I'm going to show you how to record an video. To begin your recording, simply click on the red recording button at the bottom of the screen and wait for the 3, 2, 1 countdown. Now you can advance through your slides, and once you're finished, just click stop. Now the video editor will appear. Every slide that you advance through during your recording will appear here as an individual chapter. Now you can highlight a chapter and do precision trimming to the beginning and end of that chapter. You can reorder the chapters by dragging them to a new position in your video. And you can delete a chapter if you would like to re-record or omit that chapter. Speaking of reordering your chapters, let's say you want to add a slide to the middle of your presentation that you forgot. You can close out the video editor, add your new slide content, highlight that slide by clicking on it, then just hit record. In the video editor window, your new slide will appear as the last chapter. You can trim and edit normally and then just drag and drop it where you would like it to be. You can also record a video over multiple sessions. Once you recorded at least one chapter and you have not yet published, you will see your current video remain open here below me. If you need to leave and close the application, it will be right here when you come back. You can click on it to open the chapter editor to edit, reorder, or trim current chapters, or you can press record and add another chapter to the end of your video. If you would like to set your current video aside to start a new one, you can simply close the video, start a new recording, then come back to it by opening it again from the My Videos menu. I hope this helped you learn how to record an video. Check out the rest of our Learn videos for more content like this. Thanks for watching!